If you want better conversations where people actually listen to you, where you stop rambling, where you sound sharp, fast, decisive, then today's episode is for you. Because I've realized something. Communication isn't a soft skill, it's a science. And scientists can now tell you what makes someone magnetic and what makes someone instantly forgettable. So I'm going to give you a bunch of research-backed, neuroscience-backed communication tools that I've realized almost all of the top 1% use, but nobody else talks about. This is how you change the way you speak in minutes, not years.